Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Norton 360 to manage ransomware protection properly. Open your Norton 360 application. Enter your login credentials if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings option, often represented by a gear icon. Click on Settings to access the configuration menu. In the Settings menu, find the Antivirus section. Select Antivirus to open its specific options. Scroll down to the Ransomware Protection feature. Ensure that ransomware protection is turned on. If it's off, toggle the switch to enable it. Next, click on Configure next to the Ransomware Protection option. You'll see a list of folders that Norton 360 will protect. Check the default folders listed to ensure they suit your needs. To add additional folders, click on Add or Modify. Browse your computer and select any folders you wish to protect. Confirm your selection to add the folders. Once everything is set, click OK to save your changes. Now return to the main Settings menu. Look for the Firewall section next. Make sure your firewall is active for added security. After confirming the firewall settings, return to the main dashboard. Run a manual scan to ensure all settings are functioning properly. Monitor the dashboard for any alerts or notifications. Regularly check for updates to keep Norton 360 efficient. Finally, familiarize yourself with the History section to track any detected threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.